gang.
Hola.
You're supposed to stay in.
I couldn't. They wouldn't see you.
Yeah, if I popped up right there. Like, hey, how you doing? How you doing? Tony! What?
We can't edit this.
I know, start over.
No.
No, I like this.
I like it. I like how this is going.
He threw up chicken today.
Ah, Carl, what bug?
Massive amounts. What are you doing?
I'm getting comfy. How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, baby? Tony! Tony! Yeah!
Joe has pretty eyelashes.
Why'd you look over there?
Show them. Lean in.
Show them your pretty eyelashes.
Serious. I'm for serious.
What's all over the floor?
I'm for serious. I'm for serious.